everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to play with our mini fridge again. So this is part 2 of our mini fridge exploration. So we're all set. Let's pick out a new task. Here's a fun task. Line the mini snacks up in this order, then find the color that comes next. So we're going to learn some patterns. So the first color is red. So let's find a red item. I found an apple. So let's line up an apple. The next color is red. I found another red item. This is a pepper. The next color is orange. And I have a orange. The next color is another orange. I have an orange cheese, an orange piece of cheese. What color comes next? A red again. Let's find another red. I found a strawberry. Then we have a red. Another red. I found a tomato. I'm starting to see a pattern here. What color do we think comes next? An orange. Let's find another orange item. An orange pepper. So let's see if we have it so far. Red, red, orange, orange, red, red, orange. What color comes next? Let's try it again. Red, red, orange, orange, red, red, orange. You're right, an orange item will come next. And I happen to have an orange carrot. There, you helped me complete the pattern. Thanks for your help. Let's choose another one. Fill your green basket with 5 snacks. Fill your yellow basket with 3 snacks. Which basket has more and which has less? So first, let's find our green basket. Which one is the green basket? Yeah, this one. Our green basket. Which items are the green items? These ones, right. So we have to put 5 green items in this basket. Can you help me count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 green items in the green basket. Let's put it up on this shelf. The next basket we have to choose is yellow. Can you help me find the yellow basket? Right, this is the yellow basket. Can you help me find which items are yellow? Right, these items. These are the yellow items. And we have to put 3 snacks in the yellow basket. Can you help me count 3 snacks? Great. 1, 2, 3. 3 snacks in the yellow basket. Great! We filled our green basket with 5 snacks, and we filled our yellow basket with 3 snacks. Now, which basket has more and which has less? Let's count them again. So our green basket has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 items. 5 items in the green basket. And our yellow basket has 1, 2, 3. 3 items. So which basket has more and which has less? Right, our green basket has more because it has 5. And our yellow basket has less because it had 3. Great job! Let's see if we can put all of our baskets back in the fridge. Would you like to help? Great, you helped me put the whole fridge away. Thank you so much for all your help, and we hope you join us again real soon for another one. Bye-bye!